All right, guys, welcome back. We have a huge surprise that showed up today. We kind of unexpected. We have been working with a company to see if we could get this to happen, and it just showed up unexpectedly. So we're going to open this up. Let's see how it goes. Just sitting right here. All right, you ready for this? We're almost there. All right, guys, we have been working all morning. We've been getting this inner fender well lined up. We had to drill some holes for the ABS sensor to fit. We also made a bracket to hold it up in the proper location. We did a little 45-degree bracket. We do have an isolator rubber bushing underneath there. And for the little gap spacer right here, I went ahead and bolted it in instead of having a clip. That way it would give us a little more security while it's bolted in place. And it just has a push clip on the front. So there's a quick look of what it can look like. If you want to do yours the same, leave a comment down below how you did yours on your swap. So here's our driver's side inner fender well. So let's get it started installed. Let's get it over to the truck and start installing this. So one thing I am having to do, since these inner fender wells are a little bit different with the front end conversion, I'm having to make a couple little brackets. I just put a little isolator on there, and then I'm just finding factory locations where I can mount it. It's kind of hard to see, but if you see this clip right down here, we installed that. And then we're gonna just run a bolt through there with our new bracket. This part's gonna be on the inner fender well. That way it'll hold it right up into the proper location. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. It's a little dark underneath here. Let's see, get a little light shining for us. So, and then what we're going to do, we'll have us a bolt hole location right around this area that will hold this into a proper location. So I'm going to go ahead and get that drilled and fitted, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's completed. All right, guys, so I'm going to try to show you the bracket that we just made. Let's see if I can get the camera in there. Let's see what we got. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there, the aluminum bracket where it bolts on to the body right there. And then we have the spacer. Let's see if we can get this light a little better. Then you can see the little spacer that we had put in place. And then on this side, on the other side of it, it just has a nut. So let's see, kind of hard to see it, but it's right here. So there we go. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to build a little, we have like a little plastic thing that goes right here. So we're going to go ahead and build that, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, guys, thanks for watching to the end of the video. We also want to give a huge shout out to JTX Forge for giving us a great deal on these wheels. Also, for tires, let us know a brand and size that you guys think we should run with. Drop it down below. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll catch you next time.